Top dynamic machinery technology is a high-tech enterprise on a vision color that focuses on sensor manufacturing and research and development. TD has more than 10 years of experience in sensor production, focusing on precise measurement in the machinery industry. TD production base has a complete series of production lines for manufacturing, testing, and packing. At present, the main sensor products include roll displacement sensors, liner displacement sensors, pressure sensors, and metallic displacement sensors. Top Dynamic uses products to sense the world. Thank you for your attention and support to TD. For more sensor products, please visit www.highsensor.net.